Now, to avoid bento packing mistakes, you're gonna want these tips when you pack your bentos all year long. Hi, welcome to MOMables. If you're new or if you've been around for years, I'm Laura and I am so excited that you are here. Trust me, these are the lessons that I've learned over a decade of packing lunches for 3 kids, writing a cookbook on lunches, and today I am sharing my secrets of keeping bentos fresh and ready to eat when lunchtime rolls around. So make sure to hit that red subscribe button and the bell so you'll be the first to know when I share the other quick lunch ideas. Now, since all the ingredients go in the same base container with multiple compartments, you're gonna wanna separate the dry ingredients from each other. Crackers, for example, should go in their own compartment so they don't absorb moisture from other foods. Now, you're gonna wanna place the dips and sauces in small lidded containers. This is gonna prevent the other items from getting soggy and minimize any potential mess. Pack hot foods in a thermos. Hot foods can also be part of a bento lunch, but they must be packed separately so they stay hot and they don't turn the rest of the lunch soggy. Thermoses can be separate insulated containers, or you can get one of these lunch boxes with the built-in option, which I'm gonna link below for you. Now, pack foods in bite-sized pieces for young kids. For many kids, lunchtime is social hour and they spend a lot of time chatting with their friends. If packing lunches is a struggle for you, I also have this free printable lunchbox builder in the description box that's gonna help you build quick lunchboxes by mix and matching the ingredients that you already have on hand. Cutting up a sandwich into shapes or pieces is going to help get it gobbled up quicker so they're able to take bites between their conversations. Now, finally, make portions appropriate. Now, you can still pack the same lunch for kids of different ages by adjusting the portion size and the amount of food that you include. The best part of bento lunches is that they can be packed the night before to save time in the morning, using the tips that I just mentioned, like keeping dry ingredients separate so they don't absorb moisture from the fridge or the other ingredients. Now, if you're making a sandwich, make sure that it's built in the right order. Now, I've shared all my pro tips for avoiding soggy sandwiches in a video that I'm gonna link below, so make sure you don't miss that one. Don't leave yet, there's one more bento lunch idea for you that's also a breeze to pack. See you next time.